Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to apply for ByBit card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's going to be some requirements for you to actually apply for a ByBit card. So what we need to do first is we first have to have an account in ByBit. So go to bybit.com and usually at the top right, you should see a button that says sign up. In this case, just click on sign up there and fill out all necessary information. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see the ByBit dashboard here. Now, additionally, I would recommend you to verify yourself first in ByBit. So at the dashboard, just click on get verified now to verify your account. But once you've done that, we are now ready to apply for a ByBit card. Now, what we need to do next is we need to look at the top section here, look for finance, and from here, you want to look for card. So let's go ahead and click on card. Now, from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically apply for a ByBit card. To do that, just click on Apply Now at the top section. And from here, we need to select our country of residence. Now, in this case, go ahead and choose your country here. So in this case, I'll be using Australia here as an example. And from here, it's going to say your country, so that is not yet supported. So you need to basically look for a country that is supported. So if your country is not supported here, you need to change it to a different one. Now in this case, I'm going to change to a different one just to give you an example. Now, once you've chosen your country, you should be able to see the next page here. Now, in this case, you should be able to see the eligibility check here, which in this case, you need to have the following information. So in this case, you need to have a national ID, a password, passport, driving license, and a residency permit. Now, in this case, just click on verify here and just follow all the necessary steps here. Now, you also have to confirm your information here, so you need to fill out some information that they'll be requesting and the security setup here as well. Now, once you've done all the steps, you should be able to apply for a ByBit card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.